Hey guys, today I want to talk about this 2-inch leveling kit. This will fit 09 to 2020 F150s. So let's open the box. First thing I noticed with this kit, and it came with a very nice box with everything to do the install. First part I want to talk about are these top mountain strut spacers. These are made out of thermoplastic synthetic resin construction for a very durable and clean appearance. It also comes with a bolt pack and your very easy to follow instruction sheet to help you get this kit installed. These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension to level the stance out front to back, retain factory ride quality, and also for bigger tire clearances. Zone also comes with your Factory Protection Plus warranty. This kit does not require strut disassembly and will fit 33-inch tires. If you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com and visit us on our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram, to stay up to date with anything we got going on. And I'll catch you later.